gotta watch this video, see what the heck I got this for. Thanks everyone for tuning in. Jeff Arizona Hot Homestead. Got my safety goggles. I got this Handy Daddy mask that's now available everywhere. Got this metal here that I'm going to cut. And what I'm going to cut it with, see how well you can see this. Basically, I have a circular saw and I've got a steel blade. Now, I'm using a corded instead of my cordless, my Ryobi. Reason being, I couldn't find a blade small enough for the Ryobi, but I found one. This is what, 7 1/4, I think. So, and I've been cutting this roofing, this metal roofing, and it cuts it like butter. So let me show you how smooth this is. Let me get all set. You see there's a clamp right there. There's a clamp right there, and I just have this trailer I'm sitting on the edge. So that's holding it in place. And I've already marked it. So now I've got long sleeves on. Even though it's 90 degrees out, there is a breeze, as you can tell. And sometimes I was wearing a hat. I just don't have a hat on right now. And I'm going to cut just, I already see my line. Pull back the guard so it doesn't bind to get started. And here we go. Yeah, I gotta remove that guard there. Just move it down here. That way it doesn't move on me. But you saw how simple that was to cut. And here's the best part. Bare hands. Now cutting it this way caused everything to come up this way because of the way that the blade was moving. So you can feel some sharp edges here. But on this underside, there's nothing. So if I would have flipped this around, this top would have been nice and smooth. But it's the bottom that's nice and smooth now. So kind of depending on how you want your smooth side. But yeah, see, I can, it's a little sharp there. But you know how metal is pretty sharp? This is awesome. So let me move that and finish my cut. So folks, that's how it's done. Safety goggles, because there's little bits of metal that go flying everywhere. And let me tell you, you don't want to get that in your eyes. I'm not much for safety stuff, as you can tell by watching my videos. But yeah, definitely wear something that covers around the edges. And something that's going to get around here so you don't get one of these pieces of metal flying up in your nose or in your mouth. Because let me tell you, before I was wearing this, it would hit my skin and it would burn. Not only because it's sharp metal, but it's hot. So at least for a few seconds, it's hot. So, and then of course the mask, pretty helpful, but can't breathe. So, thanks for tuning in, everyone. Jeff Arizona Hot Homestead. And that was a simple video on how you cut roofing metal. See you, bye, have fun.